got a new car. He saved lots of money for his new car. It took him a long time to save the money. His new car is red with a black top. That top can go down. The top can go up when it is warm. The top will bend down when it is cold. The top will be up. His now
His
new car is cool.
May ano dyan, may tanong. Basahin mo. Ayan.
Dapat may lapis ka.
Who got a new car?
Got a new car? Bob.
Number 2, ano? Basahin mo.
What the head could buy a new car?
Ano daw?
Save lot of money.
Save ng money. Number 3, ano?
Number 3. How long did it take him to save the money? Ito.
Ano daw? Ano basahin mo?
Ni car, it took him a long time to save the money.
Oh, very good. Number 3.
Number 3. Diba tapos na tayo sa
Number 4 pala.
Number 4. What is the colors of his new car?
What is the color daw?
Red, with a black top.
Way, very good. Very good.